Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter for business. First, identify your niche market and understand consumer preferences. Next, focus on sourcing premium ingredients to ensure a superior product. Then, invest in reliable machinery that can handle your production volume. Finally, craft a compelling brand story and marketing plan to reach your customers effectively. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the process from concept to market, ensuring a successful venture. Sourcing high-quality peanuts is the foundation of excellent peanut butter. You can select raw, blanched, or pre-roasted varieties depending on your desired flavor profile and process. Always perform a thorough inspection to guarantee the peanuts are free from defects or contaminants. For a premium product, explore organic or sustainably sourced options. Proper storage, ideally in airtight containers at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, is crucial to prevent spoilage and maintain their optimal condition before processing. The production process begins with roasting the peanuts, usually at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, to develop their rich flavor. Immediately after roasting, cool them rapidly to prevent overcooking. Next, the peanuts are fed into a commercial grinder, which transforms them into a smooth or chunky butter, depending on your preference. Finally, incorporate other ingredients like a pinch of salt, a touch of oil, or a hint of sweetener to achieve your signature taste and texture. Once your peanut butter is perfected, focus on packaging it in safe, attractive food-grade containers like 8-ounce or 16-ounce glass jars. Your label design should be eye-catching and clearly communicate your brand's unique selling points. For sales, leverage both online e-commerce platforms and local farmers markets or specialty stores. Crucially, always ensure your production and packaging adhere to all relevant food safety standards and obtain necessary certifications to build consumer trust and expand your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.